Hi there everyone, Ashmita this side from Sourav Sir Classes. Today we are solving an exercise on conjunctions and especially on correlative conjunctions. So before starting off with this exercise, let me give you a glimpse of what are correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions means two conjunctions would be there but both would be used with a span of gap in the sentence. Like, for example, either you have coffee or you have tea. So, either or in the sentence. Okay, that's an example of a correlative conjunction. Now, let us move over to the exercise. I plan to take my vacation dash in June or in July. Either yeah, it would be yeah, either or only. First, either or in July. Okay, either in June or in July. Second, dash, I'm feeling happy. Dash, sad. I'll try to keep a positive attitude. Um, Whether, yeah, this one will go. Whether I'm feeling happy or sad, I try to keep a positive attitude. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether I'm happy or I'm sad, I always try to keep a positive attitude. Third sentence. Dash, had I taken my shoes off, dash, I found out we had to leave again. No sooner had no sooner than this option will go. So no sooner had I taken my shoes off than I found out we had to leave again. Fourth one. Dash, only is dark chocolate delicious. Dash, it can be healthy. Um, so among the options given, not only is dark chocolate delicious, but it can be healthy. Fifth one, dash, I have salad for dinner. Dash, I can have ice cream for dessert. So, it would obviously be the very first one. Like, if I have salad for dinner, then I can have ice cream for dessert also. Okay, sixth one, dash, flowers, dash, trees grow, dash, during warm weather. Um, Not only flowers, okay, no. Both flowers and trees grow. Okay, just let me reconsider the options once. And I was going right only. Both flowers and trees grow. I feel this blank is given extra, so it won't go. Okay, so the sentence is coming like this: both flowers and trees grow during warm weather. Okay, dash, do we enjoy summer vacation? Dash, we dash enjoy winter break. Mm, Not only, yeah, this option will go. Not only do we enjoy summer vacation, but also we enjoy winter break. Again, this blank is an extra. Okay, calculus is both easy and difficult. Okay, extra gap. Ninth, it's dash going to rain dash snow tonight. It's either going to rain or snow tonight. Okay. Savory flavors are both sweet and sour. Okay, the last option will go. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you're preparing for the general English portions of the entrance exams or competitive examinations, then you can join our classes for that. And yeah, if you want to know more details about our classes, you can just go over to the description box below and do contact us and enroll in our classes so that we can just help you out with your preparation. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos.